Hi, I'm Ray. I've just come down the allotment. It's a really warm day today. Gonna have a look in the polytunnel. Come on, have a look. See what's going on there. I'll flick you round. So the temperature outside today must be 22, 23, and it's pretty hot. So let's have a look inside. It's going to be hot in here. Wow. Look at this. This is pretty warm. Water's just dripping off the roof. So we've got our grapes. Grapes are really doing good now. Can we see that? Wow. They're doing really good. And look at all these cucumbers growing. Still got a few tomatoes. These being Tigerella. And we've still got some orangey tomatoes and the red ones at the back. But they've just gone pretty crazy. But what do you think of my pumpkin arch? Isn't that absolutely madness? Look at the pumpkin. All the way up here, all the way along the polytunnel. I want to get some brassicas in here, but even to the fact it's growing at the door, absolute crazy. But it's so warm. The onion seeds. But look, here, I can see a pumpkin. It's actually my first pumpkin that I've actually seen growing. I had lots of flowers, but they've been dying off. We've not really seen many pumpkins at all. I was getting a bit, there's another one in here. I was getting a bit worried that we wasn't going to get any pumpkins. But there we go. That's pretty good. We had lots of flowers. Look at this archway. Look at the way the leaves are all touching the roof of the polytunnel. Incredible. The old sunflowers suffered a bit. But look at that archway. That is absolutely wonderful. That is, I'm well amazed by that. We did have some melons down the, oh wow, look, you can see that, there's a watermelon, small, might only feed one person, if that, but look, not sure the melons didn't really do too much. The watering system in this polytunnel has been amazing, absolutely amazing. Look at the size of that stalk on the sunflower. Absolutely crazy. The old flowers, loving it. And we've still got tomatoes. Wonderful. Wonderful. And luckily so far, none of these tomatoes have actually got blight. The old bumblebees are loving it in here. And we had some lovely butterflies when I first came in. But this pumpkin, look at this pumpkin, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. So many flowers going. And it's going all the way around the frame in the tunnel. That is a little pumpkin growing in here. We had lots of flowers, they kept dying off because it is really, really hot in here. Crazy, look at these flowers. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I've not even got through the other half. There's the butterfly down there. Let's see if we can get it, it's lovely. Can we get there? Can we see it? There we go, look. Absolutely wonderful. You can just hear the bees buzzing. They love it in here. It's hot though. It's really hot. Look at the colours. I've also just seen this spider here. You can see it. It's got a massive, massive big web here. It's quite a big spider there. And the butterfly's just gone. It's a shame. Wow. Bees are just, whoa. They're loving it in here. Absolutely loving it. I look back through the tunnel. The Polytunnel. It's looking amazing. We didn't do too much in here. And I just thought I'd put 2 pumpkin plants. But look at that, that's amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's so hot in here. It's crazy, crazy hot. But it's worth it, isn't it? Absolutely. Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. We can save some of these sunflower seeds now as they're getting ready to pod up. But look at that. Pumpkin. We've got some pumpkin, kids. Not many from all the flowers that it's produced, but there are some. That's amazing. Well, I'm getting out of here, it's too hot. Cheers.